Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of QR code on the application of Snapchat. You will go to settings, then you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Snapchat and then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget